I just want to know who be this fine babe. Like, Kai. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I initially did a video of me styling my hair, like how I curl my hair, and then the video got deleted, so I'm doing another video. But this video is going to be a styling video, so I'm going to glue down my frontal, do my baby hairs, and then curl my hair. So if you're interested in how I lay down my wig, please stay tuned. So first things first, I push my wig cap back right up, like right in front of my hairline, and then I adjust my wig to see how I'm gonna like lay it, how I'm gonna glue it. I take some clips just to get the hair away from my face. Just like so. And then you're gonna take the frontal. I don't glue my wig down every day. I'm trying to find a method where I don't have to glue it down at all, but I don't see any method that I liked. So I take my Got To Be Glue hairspray, and I basically just spray it out the center first. Oh, this hair is my face. Rub it across my forehead. I let that dry for a little bit before I apply it again. And let the record show, I am not a hairstylist. I don't do nobody's hair. I just do my own. I don't really care for like doing people's hair. All right, so once it's a little tacky, you're just gonna move the frontal to where you place the glue. I try not to go too far down because I like most of my forehead to show. Then you take your comb and you just press it down. This is so much harder to do on camera. So now that that is down, you're gonna do your sides. I always have trouble with my flaps. I'm still like learning how to lay my flaps down, but yeah. So I basically do one side at a time. While this is going, I'm gonna do the other side. Nothing fancy. I'm gonna go back and do this side again. And I do lay it right in front of my baby hairs only because I have a lot of baby hairs and my wig cap does not capture it all. So sometimes like the glue does get on my baby hairs, but if you take some alcohol and a cleaning pad, you'll be fine to get the glue out of your hair. Then I go back and do this side again. All right, so this side should be tacky enough. So you're just gonna pull that down, take your comb and press that in. going in and on this side as well. Oh, make sure that doesn't lift. Make sure that you're not pulling too hard where the other side lifts. So just gonna press that in. Right, and then you're basically all done. Then I'm gonna go get my headscarf and I'm going to tie this down. While that is tied down, I'm going to curl my hair and then I do my baby hairs last. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do this real, like, regular. Yeah, curl them out. And you just curl it away from your face. Alright, so you just take the hair, roll it away from your face. And that was a bad example. But when you're done, you're supposed to crunch it so that the curls stay tight. And then the curls will stay, and then you move on to the next section. I'm gonna do it over. I don't know what I was doing. Just like that. Let it go, and then crunch it. And then you just move on to the next section as so. All right, now we're all done. So I'm just gonna go back and get the loose ends, like pieces of my hair that could be tighter, especially those in the front. I literally just go back and do the front over because nobody cares for the back. As long as the front is popping, nothing else really matters. So I'm going in to just go back one more time and curl the front part of my hair so I can set that part in motion and I can start looking like a baddie. Like, who is going to tell me what? Because I'm going to be looking like, show them, on them, see pepe. Pepe dem, banale pepe dem, oh. Pepe dem, Deborah pepe dem, oh. All right. Come and see how I'm feeling myself. And my wig is not even done yet, eh? Go Debbie with the shoulder. Okay. Alright. Alright, so now I'm just like putting the clips to get the curls away from my face, and I'm going to take my headscarf down so that we can lay these baby hairs. But y'all ready to see some scalp though? Like, ooh, like, okay. I try, Sha. I try. For someone who's not a professional hairstylist, I don't try. So I will give myself kudos. Your handy dandy toothbrush. I don't know why I'm singing Christmas carols, okay? So, for me, the way I do my baby hairs is I don't like the hairs in the front. So I normally do the sides, and then I do like another side swoop on the side, and then I'll lay the sideburns. So, taking some hair that I've already cut. Ooh. I have hair in my eye. I'm sorry, but can I just get some hair appreciation? Because this frontal is laid. Alright. You're going to get your mousse. You can get mousse from any brand. I got it from Aussie. It's at my beauty supply store. Shake it up. Take a little bit of, a little pump. Get the palm. Scoop some. First thing I do is I push the hairs back so that they don't get in my way. And then I get busy. So this is just all like the flick of the wrist, right? The flick of the wrist. I don't know what I just said. Push hairs back. Boys are joy, smoking cigarettes, wearing all black, bad man, keeping late nights, putting on dress, carrying guests, bad man, keeping your beer, guessing your ear, don't comb your hair, bad man, sleeping outside, very tight change, early no drink, bad man, body can't go in way, was a good girl, but you change, fat black guy, the baby. You are now dating man that is way older. And for this, you are thinking you can raise shoulder. That's your idea. They make you a queen giver. The Ross Gate Club, you really good. What is she pushy? I can see such things. And when you are talking, I can see hot drinks. You are not only washing, you are doing blue film. Why your skin multicolor? If you did. So this second time, I just try to be as clean. Like I try to clean everything up. I'll go back in and just make sure that the rest of them are in order. Alright, and on the other side, do the same thing. Okay. piece of hair. It's getting cut. So my flaps always give me a hard time, but guess what? Nobody really sees that. So, this is so cute. So, take your headscarf, tie that down one last time. Alright, so while that is drying and setting in, I'm going to finger comb the curls. So there's this technique I normally do when I curl my hair, and I want the curls to be loose but still like tight. I literally just shake and then come back up. Look at that. Okay. Baby hairs should be done by now. Great. Now, you cannot tell me this ain't some hair, like ooh. Let the record show that I am not a hairstylist. So, this just works for me. Take my comb, just so, I like when my curls do that, like flip right off the back. So, I take my comb, I comb it back, and then I give it forward. Back, I'm sorry, but nobody's telling me that I'm not a fine babe. Like, who's that girl? Na 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 na. Who's that girl? Like, you sexy, you fine. You be slash everybody's husband in this year, and she's so snake. Nah, I'm just joking. But nah, this wig is like really laid. Like, I'm so proud of myself. Go girl, go girl, go girl, go off. Sexy, go off. Go off. Sexy. You guys so much for tuning into my channel. I hope that you guys like my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.